Hi friends, today I'm going to fix this mistake.
L'Oreal Paris.
Hair color removal.
Made a color mistake?
It happens. Coloreazy Secrets Hair Color Remover is here to get you back in track in one easy step.
The salon-inspired formula remove permanent hair color, even salon color, and leave your hair ready to
Destroy again.
That's good that you're reading the instruction.
Well, it doesn't say if you try to make a video with a color that you don't like, please do so.
So you can buy this hair color remover from L'Oreal Paris. That's not a way to give views.
It also doesn't say that
This clip from my last video was you know who for not having 1,000 subscribers.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see what's in the box. Developer,
Oh no, I have bad experience with that name.
hair color removal, powder, and the instructions.
And you guys know what I think about these gloves, okay? No.
No, that's okay, honey. I brought my own.
Get ready.
Shake it good. We don't want no mistakes. I need every single drop. I only got one.
Okay, this is my hair before we start.
Take a deep breath.
Salud. Salud.
Smells like bleach. Oh my god.
It is bleach, bitch. Oh yeah, I see the magic happening.
Okay, the grand reveal. Ta-da! What do you guys think? I like it. As long as I don't see any red, I'm happy.
Me too. I don't think you look good with the RED color either.
Okay, friends. I think I will purchase this again. I really like this product. I'm very, very happy with these results. I'm back to my own self.